Hello, I'm Mrs. Conger, and today I'm going to show you how to log in to the Destiny Library Catalog. As you can see, we are on the student landing page. Down under Curriculum Links, you'll see Destiny WSD Library. Simply click on Destiny and it will bring up our OPAC. OPAC stands for Online Public Access Catalog. If you can see over here on the left side, Follett Destiny. Follett is the name of the company that provides us with this service. From here you will click Wissahickon Middle School Library, and you will look up to the top up here and it will say log in. Now yours will not have this up here, but I've already been logged into Destiny before, so mine does. It will bring up my username and password. Your username is your Wissahickon ID, and your password is your Wissahickon password. Simply place both in there and click Remember. It will pop up for you, and then simply click Login. Now you are logged in to the Destiny Library Catalog. You will notice that we have a home page. This home page will lead you to some of the resources that we have available in Destiny. One of the resources we have is called Pebble Go Next. Right now, we only have 2 databases in there, but shortly, maybe in a couple of weeks, you'll see that there is a full range of databases: science, biographies, social studies, and Native Americans. But for right now, we are going to go into the catalog so that I can show you how you can search in Destiny using our reading program Lexile. Okay, so we're going to click, instead of Unlimited, we're going to click Lexile. Once you click Lexile, you will get this window. The reason that I want to make sure that you are logged in when you click on Lexile is because once you click it and you're not logged in, it's logged into Lexile for everyone. So if you are choosing to search by Lexile, make sure that you click Login and you log into Lexile. If you do not do that, then what you're going to have to do is put it back the way you found it before you close out. Okay, so you're going to click here, you're going to click Lexile, and you are going to put your Lexile number here. I'm just going to choose a strange one for now, and it will automatically fill in the range for you. Now I'm going to look for simply, you know what I always look for, dogs. So I'm going to click dogs, and I'm going to click keyword, and all the dog books in that Lexile range will come up for me to choose. And that's how you look for a book within your Lexile range.